Hi, I'm Rob Reynolds. I'm with OilWell Supply Singapore. We've been partnered with Jet-Lube for Southeast Asia distribution for 25 years. Over those 25 years, we've experienced lots of growth with Jet-Lube. The name recognition has really grown and expanded throughout the region. And we've experienced year-on-year growth, more or less uninterrupted, for many years now. The name recognition has grown over the years, and so as that grows, more and more regions are requesting the product by name. So it's become less a function of converting customers to Jet-Lube to people actually requesting Jet-Lube. I think what sets Jet-Lube apart is staying ahead of the curve. The innovation that has always been, whether it's like through production or increased product line. For example, the ECF product line was a bit ahead of the curve in the market, and because of that, it was really a game changer. The name recognition speaks for itself. We have never faced much pushback in regards to that. So the reliability, the reputation is there, the availability is there. We've been well inventoried in Singapore for Asia distribution for, like I said, 25 years. It's been availability, it's been product quality, and it's been the innovation. So being able to offer a wide range of products with wide-ranging applications really sets Jet-Lube apart. Well, customer demands are definitely becoming more and more environmentally focused. So the ECF product line, for example, that Jet-Lube was a pioneer in, has helped us really meet those demands with very little effort. The partnership's always been great. The customer service has always been great. Our assigned reps have been great. We have had it's been a seamless integration of our two companies. The wide range of products with wide-ranging applications has helped, because there's really not an application in the oil field that Jet-Lube doesn't have a product for. And again, the ECF, as customers get more and more environmentally focused, the ECF products have helped us meet that demand.